My name's Kent White. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I've been trading options for about 10 years. I've been working with Trader's Edge Network for about 4 years. My trading was fairly successful before I got with Trader's Edge. The money press helped some in a couple of smaller accounts, but what really turned things around was the first year I took the MIT class. That was a game changer for me. Just multiplied the results a lot faster. Allowed me to do some things I've never been able to do before. My wife and I bought a condo in Mexico with cash last year, and all the money for that came from my MIT trades. Tremendously. I would say that's the biggest thing I've taken from Trader's Edge, is learning how to protect my positions. Like Preston calls it, sleep at night protection. That's been game changing for me. Everything's been up. My win rate's higher now. My loss rate is lower. When I do have losing trades, I know exactly how much I can lose before I go in. But overall, it's been very positive. I tell everybody I know, you need to do this. I have a lot of friends that trade stocks, a few that dabble in options, and every time I get the chance, I'm trying to tell them about the money press. Part of it was just the ongoing education. When I first started learning about the money press, it was a little bit different than the way I had been trading, and I liked the ongoing coaching calls that were going on every week. But I think the best part about being in Wow Insiders is these events. Coming to these events, I always learn a lot from the individual mentors, but I also learn a lot from other people that are here. I never go away from one of these events without making 3 or 4 new friends that I stay in contact with and exchange ideas with, hopefully for the rest of our lives. I would say my biggest takeaway from this event is learning how to manage things in a down market. The timing of this event couldn't have been better, because we just came off this horrible slide in the market related to the tariffs. Got to see the turnaround actually happen in real time while we were here. But the weeks leading up to this and the presentations that were made this weekend were just phenomenal for knowing how to protect myself in a down market. Initially, I would say the trade alerts, getting the trade recommendations from Preston. Now it's kind of funny. A lot of times I pick out the same trades that he alerts out, and it made the trade an hour before I got the email. So we're starting to think a lot alike. So I would say the thing I enjoy now most is probably the webinars. To me, the community. The fact that we are able to have these live events. I'm still a member of a couple of other trading organizations, but they're strictly online, and there's nothing beats just getting together face to face with people and hearing other people's stories and their successes and failures and what we've learned from them. If you're thinking about it, do it.